Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about differentiation of function of a function, which is also known as chain rule. So in this, what we have got, let's differentiate the following. You have got y is equal to x plus 2. So differentiation of y is equal to x plus 2 would be dy over dx is equal to 1. Now let's see if I have got y is equal to x plus 2 whole square, you can expand it first. So you get x square plus 4x plus 4. And now I can differentiate it using the formula that if I have got u is equal to, let's say y is equal to u to the power n. So y dash is equal to n times u to the power n minus 1. So this is what our formula is. So here I'm using, so differentiation of x square would be 2x, differentiation of 4x would be 4, and here this is what we have got. Let's take another example where I am having y is equal to x plus 2 whole cube. So y is equal to x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. So what I did, I expanded it first, and now I'm going to differentiate it. So I can use this formula y is equal to x to the power n. This is also known as y is equal to x to the power n. Same thing, it's same. So here you will get dy over dx is equal to 3x square plus 12x plus 12. So you can see this 3 is getting multiplied, and I am reducing the power by 1. Here I am again multiplying the 6 by 2, so I am multiplying here 6 times 2 and reducing the power by 1. So this is how I have got 12x, and then here 12 times x, the power was 1 here, so I reduced it. So x to the power 1 minus 1 is 0, so any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So I have got 12 over here. So this is how we got this differentiation. I hope this also help you to revise what the formula we have done before. Y is equal to x to the power n is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1. Let's move to the next slide. Now here, if I ask you to differentiate y is equal to x plus 2 to the power 12, it's not really feasible to expand the bracket. So we need another method. Now what we are going to do in order to solve this question, we will use something called substitution. So what I will do, I will say here y is equal to x plus 2 whole to the power 12. I have got y is a function of x. Now let u is equal to x plus 2. So then we will have y is equal to u to the power 12. Y is now a function of u. So this means that u is a link between x and y. So in order to find the derivative, what we will do, we want to find dy over dx. So first, in order to find dy over dx, I first need to find dy over du, and then I will multiply it by du over dx. How it works is that something like this, I can cancel it out, and again I will get dy over dx. So see how I will get it. So let's take the example. We needed to differentiate y is equal to x plus 2 whole to the power 12. So I am imagining y is equal to x plus 2. So this is our substitution. Then I get y is equal to u to the power 12. So dy over du is equal to 12 times u to the power 11. I use the formula. Next is, what is dy over du over dx? So du over dx, basically this du over dx, this is what I'm trying to find. So du over dx is derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 2 is 0. So basically from here I got du over dx, which is equal to 1. Now I'm going to substitute it back in the formula. So dy over dx is equal to 12 u to the power 11. So what I did, I had 12 u 11 u to the power 11, that is my dy over du, and then I multiplied it by du over dx, which is equal to 1. So I got, this is my answer here. So now towards the end I can substitute the value of u, which is equal to x plus 2, and hence I got dy over dx is equal to 12 times x plus 2 to the power 11. You can attempt doing this question by yourself. You can pause the video and then you can do the work, and later on you can check your answer. Go ahead, pause the video and attempt this question by yourself. Find dy over dx. Okay, so I hope you have tried it. Let's see how you can do it. So y is a function of x. So let u is equal to 3x square plus 2. This is what I got. So then y will be equal to u to the power 4. So y is a function of u now. So this means that u is a link between x and y. You need not to write all these things. I'm discussing it because we are discussing problem right now for your understanding. You can directly go ahead and you can apply this formula. Dy over dx is equal to dy over du times du over dx. So we had to differentiate it. We have assumed. So now I am going to find dy over du. So dy over du is what? First of all, dy over du, I got 4u cube. So I had written this 4 here and then I reduced the power by 1. So I got 4 times u to the power 3. And then I am differentiating this u. So what I will get, du over dx is equal to 3 times 2. So this power 2 will get multiplied by 3 times x to the power 2 minus 1 plus 0. And this will come out as 6x to the power 1. 2 to the power 2, x to the power 2 minus 1 is nothing but x. So 6x. Now I need to substitute it back in the formula and I will get dy over dx is equal to 4u cube times 6x, which will give us 24x, and now I'm going to substitute back the value of u. So 3x squared plus 2, I am substituting it back and this is my derivative. Now you need not to do all these assumptions where you are imagining u is equal to something and then you are finding the derivative. There is a quicker way to do this question. So dy over dx, let's understand it that what it is actually equals to. So dy over dx is what you need to do. You first find the derivative of outside function. So find derivative of outside function keeping the inside unchanged. So inside one should remain unchanged times derivative of the inside function. So derivative of inside. I will write it in better way for you so you can read it better. So derivative of outside functions, leaving the inside unchanged times derivative of inside functions. So that's a quick way to do it. Let's take an example where we have got different types of functions. So here I have got, we need to find dy over dx when y is equal to sine of x square. So first let's do how we can approach this question. So y is equal to, what is derivative of sine? So derivative of sine is cos. So I will write cos and write the inside one unchanged x square and then find the derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. So my answer is 2x times cos of x square. That's the derivative. You are done. Move to the next question. Let's see. I have got this function y is equal to ln of 4x cube. So here my dy over dx will be 1 over 4x cube, because derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So 1 over 4x cube times derivative of 4x cube. So 4 times 3 times x to the power 3 minus 1, which will give us 1 over 4x cube times, this is 12, 4 times 3 is 12, x to the power 2. Now x square and x cube we can cancel out the x's here, so we will be left with, and this 4 and 12, so we are getting 3 over x. That's my answer. Let's take some more example. Here I've got some question for you. You can pause the video and you can apply what we have learned right now. Okay, so I think that you have tried doing this question. Let's start discussing them. So here I have got x plus 2 whole square. So I can first find the derivative of outside function. So derivative of outside function is 2 times x plus 2, and derivative of x over here is 1. So I'm multiplying by 1, but I'm not writing it here. Next is this. Here the derivative of the outside function would be 3. So we will get 3 times 2x plus 2, 3 minus 1, and times 2x times 2. Derivative of 2x is 2, so times 2, and this will give us dy over dx is equal to 6 times 2x plus 2 whole square. Same thing we will do over here. Derivative of 3x plus 4. So let's take the derivative of outside function. Derivative of outside function, I will change my pen color here. So derivative of outside function would be 4 times 3x plus 2 to the power 3 times, here I have got derivative of 3x plus 2 is 3. So 4 times 3, that is 12, times 3x plus 2 whole to the power 3. So dy over dx is equal to 12, 3x plus 2 whole to the power 3. So let's try doing one more problem. So this is the problem that I have got. You can pause the video and you can try attempting it. Okay, so I think that you have attempted it. Let's discuss it now. So here the outside function that I have got, it is 2 1 minus x to the power 5. So first I need to take derivative of the outside function, and then I will take the derivative of inside function. So the derivative of outside function, if I will write it here, dy over dx is equal to 2 times 5 times 1 minus x raised to the power 4 times derivative of inside. So derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of minus x will give us minus 1. So this should give our answer as minus 10 1 minus x raised to the power 4. You can see this is what we have got. Just in case if you're not able to read my handwriting on the stylus, so I'm just showing it to you. Here you will get dy over dx is equal to minus 10 times 1 minus x to the power 4. Okay, so there are 3 questions now that you can try attempting. Pause the video and try doing it by yourself. All right, so I think you have already attempted them. So again, we have got the outside function. You can see this is one function raised to the power 4, and there is an inside function as well. So first we'll take derivative of outside function, which will be here I will get, see, I have directly written the answer. See how we have got it. So first derivative of outside function keeping the inside unchanged, we will get 4 times x square plus 3 raised to the power 3 times, what is the derivative of inside one? So x square derivative is 2x plus derivative of 3 is 0. So 0, khalas. We will just get 2x here. So 2x times 4 is 8x. And then I have got x squared plus 3 raised to the power 3. So this is how we got this answer. Let's take this one here again. I have got, this is very interesting by the way. What we are going to do in this case is we have got 1 over 3 minus 7x. We will write this function as 3 minus 7x raised to the power minus 1. So if I'm going to find its derivative dy over dx, I will get, first I need to write this minus 1 here. So minus 1, and then I will write derivative of outside function. So 3 minus 7x raised to the power minus 2. Then I will take derivative of inside one. So inside function derivative is 3, derivative of 3 is 0, and derivative of minus 7x is minus 7. Now mind you, this minus 7 and minus 1 when get multiplied, I will get my answer as positive 7, and this 3 minus x raised to the power minus 2 is nothing but 1 over, so I'm going to write it first. So 7, and then I will get 3 minus 7x raised to the power 2, and this is how we have got this answer. Again, for doing this question, you should know the exponent and radicals. I can rewrite this function as y is equal to 6x plus 1 raised to the power half. So here the powers are a fraction. See what I will get in order to find its derivative. So y dash is equal to, first I need to write half, and then 6x plus 1 raised to the power half minus 1 times derivative of inside. So derivative of inside is 6. So this will give us 3 over root under 6x plus 1, because you can see half minus 1 will give us minus half. And again, if I will rewrite it again, what I will get 6. So see, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then 6, I will write it as 6x plus 1 raised to the power half, and furthermore this half can be rewritten as this one. So I hope this video made sense for you. If you have got any doubt or you need any clarification, please write in the comment section. Do share your feedback about this video. Thank you for watching.